All right, we're doing yet another integer problem, and this one says 44 minus a negative 42. You have to remember your integer rules for addition and subtraction. When your signs are the same, you add and keep the sign. When your signs are different, you subtract and keep the sign with the number that has the larger absolute value. The first thing I want to do in this one is circle these two math operations in the middle. We have a minus minus. Well, minus minus, as your teachers have told you, means plus. The other way to think about that is if you just can't wrap that concept around your head, when you see this, you should be just drawing a big plus sign there. That's the other way to remember how to do that. You know, it's a strategy. So the people that commonly do this one without thinking about those numbers, they'll tell you that the answer is 2, and we know that that's wrong. What I've drawn here is 44 plus 42. Both numbers are positive, because negative is positive. So I need to add them together, and when I add them together, I get 86. So 86 is my answer for this problem.